everybody. Now I would like to teach you about the degrees of comparison type 5. Regarding type 5, I am going to give you some clues which are related to degrees of comparison type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Type 5 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. These are the 3 degrees. Already we have learnt 4 types of degrees of comparison. This is type 1, this is type 2, this is type 3, this is type 4. You need to have the command over all these types. Before that, in my previous sessions, I have clearly explained you about all these 4 types of degrees of comparison by giving some hints, for you. In such a way, if you make a table, if you prepare a table regarding all these 4 models of degrees of comparison, you can remember like this. Okay? In order to remember very easily all 4 types of degrees of comparison, this table has been prepared. Now let us see the clues which are related to 4 types of degrees of comparison regarding this type 5. Okay? If you take type 1 positive, comparative and superlative. Type 1 positive, no other, comparative than any other, superlative of all. These are the clues for identifying type 1 degrees of comparison such as positive, comparative and superlative. Now let us go to type 2 degrees of comparison. These are the clues that we have to remember. Very few. Positive degree very few, comparative degree than most other, superlative degree one of. Let us go to type 3. Some, at least, as, comparative degree not than any other, superlative not of all. Let us go to type 4. Not, not. Here we need to understand very clearly regarding type 4 degrees of comparison. If you take positive degree, if you find not in the positive degree regarding type 4, there will be no not in the comparative degree regarding type 4. If not comes in the positive degree, not should be used, should not be used in the comparative degree regarding type 4. If not does not come in the positive degree regarding type 4, not should be used in the comparative degree. Regarding 4th model, we need to observe very clearly. If you find not in the positive degree regarding type 4 degrees of comparison, not should not be used in the comparative degree. If you don't find not in the positive degree, not should be used in the comparative degree regarding type 4 degrees of comparison. Okay, these are the clues that we have to remember regarding all 4 types of degrees of comparison. Concentrate on these given clues and practice very carefully. Definitely will have the command over degrees of comparison very shortly. In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.